And so NMN is a molecule that's in your body, right? That your body naturally makes. And so by the time you're about 45, your body is making 50% of what it was making when you're 20. And so this molecule is really important, right? It actually is the precursor that turns into NAD plus, right? And NAD plus is what helps your body's mitochondria. You probably remember that from biology class in high school. The mitochondria, it actually where the energy is converted. So whenever you eat food, your body takes that food and converts it into energy that your cells can actually use, right? And so NMN is the precursor to NAD plus, and NAD plus helps convert the food into ATP, which is the energy that your cells can actually use. And so if you're only making 50% of what you made when you were 20 by the time you're 45, then that means you're eating all this food. You're eating just as much food as you did when you were 20, but then now your body can't convert it. Only 50% of it can actually convert into energy for your cells. So what happens to all that extra food? Well, that's what happens to our waistline, right? It starts to expand. We all know that when you're 20 years old, you could eat like a horse and you never gained a pound, and now all of a sudden you barely touch some food and you start gaining weight. And so that's exactly the reason. And there's also other things that it actually does, where if your body is can't really make enough energy, then as you even get older and older and older, then we basically think of that as old age. What your body has to do is starts to shut down parts that it thinks is not vital and saves that energy for your brain, heart, lungs, liver, right? And so now it's like we don't have enough for your low back. We don't have enough for your hamstring or your shoulder, and you start to break down over time. And so that's what NMN is and how it is used to change your life.